Hello everyone, are you looking for a dehumidifier that gives you the best bang for your money? Then look no further. For just about £100, the HOMCOM 20L per day dehumidifier gives you a dehumidifier and an air purifier in one. Let's unbox it and see what you get. Out of the box, you have the instruction manual, a drainage pipe, and a high quality HEPA filter for air purification. The dehumidifier itself is a very beautiful one, standing at 570 by 340 by 240 millimeters. The air vent and the control panels are right at the top. And of course, that is the vent. And it has handles on the sides where you can easily move it about. Going around, you have the air intakes and the water tank at the back, which is looking very pretty. And of course, it has wheels, very smooth, and then you can easily move it from one point of the house to the other. Talking about the water tank, it is well graduated to a maximum point where it automatically shuts off when the water is full. The dehumidifier comes with a pre-installed carbon filter, which you can easily replace with the included HEPA filter. Easily insert the included HEPA filter. There you go. And then close it back by simply sliding it from top to bottom and give it a good press. And that is it. Have a 6.5 liter water tank, so you don't really have to worry yourself about taking out the water every time. Plus, when the water tank is full, it automatically just shuts off and stops working, so there is no spillage at all. And if you don't want to use the water tank, it also has an included drainage pipe for continuous drainage. All you have to do is just slide it into the water hose and then close the water tank, and then you can connect the pipe to your drainage. At a maximum noise of about 42 decibels, you don't really have to worry, you can keep it on overnight. Let's hear how it sounds. The first row on the control panel is essentially for selecting your desired humidity level, temperature, fan speed, and choosing one of the 4 major operation modes. Fan speed has 2 fan speed levels, and you can choose either of 4 major operation modes, which are cloth drying, normal operation, air circulation, or automatic, which you just put it on and it chooses what it does based on the humidity level. You can use it for maybe a 2 or 3 bedroom flat, and it actually does very well and reduces mold in your house. So the second row on the control panel is essentially to give you indicators. If the water tank is full, it automatically shuts off, tells you at what speed your fan is running. So there you have it, the HOMCOM 20L per day humidifier. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.